SteamOS versus Bazzite. Which one should you pick? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to choose between SteamOS and Bazzite, here's an easy way to look at the differences. SteamOS is the official console-style operating system created by Valve, while Bazzite is a community-built enhanced variation that takes the concept of SteamOS and pushes it further with more features, more updates, and much broader hardware support. SteamOS is designed with one priority in mind: gaming. It shines especially on the Steam Deck or any system that mirrors its supported hardware. You get that streamlined gaming mode interface. Everything comes pre-configured and you never have to worry about messing with kernels, drivers, or performance tweaks. You simply power it on and start playing. It's stable, officially maintained, and built around providing a smooth console-like experience. Bazzite, on the other hand, is what people gravitate toward when they want SteamOS feel but without the limitations. Since it's built on Fedora and updated far more often, Bazzite typically supports the newest graphics cards, handled PCs, and cutting-edge drivers much earlier than SteamOS. If you're running a ROG Ally, Legion Go, MSI Claw, or pretty much any handheld PC that isn't a Steam Deck, Bazzite tends to be a superior option because it's engineered for a wide variety of devices. It also gives you a ton more freedom. You can use a full desktop environment, install additional applications, switch to KDE or GNOME, and fine-tune performance in deeper, more advanced ways. So here's a simple breakdown. If you want a straightforward console-focused setup on hardware that's officially supported, SteamOS is ideal. No tweaking, no troubleshooting, just play. If you want more control, better compatibility, frequent updates, newer drivers, and a gaming OS that can double as a full desktop, Bazzite will feel like the better fit. It essentially takes the best parts of SteamOS and layers on customization and refinements for power users. Both systems are strong choices. It ultimately comes down to the type of experience you're looking for. So if this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.